On today's episode of Moto Cheese.
Oh, look at that. 88 cc's, Bubby. You can go right there. Aluminum. Oh yeah. It's happening. The monkey bike. 88 cc's. Aluminum in them. From a 50 to an 88. Oh boy. High compression dome piston. Oh wow, look at that. This thing's gonna rip. I'm gonna have to be careful. It's a handy tool. I got taco cells on eBay and Z-brake lathes. Loose already. Top dead center. That has to line up with that on top dead center, which is a compression stroke, which is every other stroke. I wonder what tensions this. Alright, that's off. This should come apart. That's not going to come off with the wheel in the way. That little head. It's going to be on this. Look at, that's how much bigger it is.
Quite the difference.
Damn. Oh, there it goes. Here it comes. This has to go in. Looks like it doesn't matter. This thing's way heavier. That's a little circlip. This is a wrist pin. That baby piston. Alright, now I gotta clean it up a little bit. That's an oil passage. That one dowel pin there, one dowel pin there. So that one's there. I'm gonna have to pull one off of this. That's crazy. So that's the new head gasket. Huh. Gives you two base gaskets. Carburetor. This side. I always grease up these type of gaskets, like a paper gaskets. Not only does it make a better seal, but if you ever have to take it apart, it's easier to clean. These are guide pins, dowel pins. Now, see that? Intake valve, exhaust valve. That's for spark plug. Look how much higher compression this thing is.
Yeah.
There's a bottle of assembly lube. Now this is the oil ring. There's two different rings. One's usually like a cast iron ring, and then one's a hardened ring, and I think the cast iron ring is second. Yeah, see the top ring is shiny, yep, and the letters go toward the top. But these are so freaking brittle, you gotta watch. That we don't break it. $11 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 6 o'clock. As long as they're not lined up. Like that, like that. That one's there. That one's there. They're so thin, these little oil rings. Now for the retainer. I think it's in. Yes, it is. It's in. This is coated pretty good. O-ring that fits there. Yeah, I didn't put it. Wow. Try to put this back the way I found it. That's just a chain guide. This gets a dowel, and this gets a dowel. This gets the head gasket. Alright, now what I want to do is I want to check these valves. Get in close. I'm going to see if I can see if these valves look like they're... Wow, they don't look bad. You could tell if there's like, if that had like a groove in it, it'd be no good. And a little carbon. The cam's actually in really good shape, surprisingly.
For what, 41 years old? 42?
Mm-hmm. Well, this has to be pretty spotless. That has to be top dead center. And that has to be up one more. Darn, I'm off. Off a tooth. Wrong way. There it is. And that goes in like that. Brass washer. They didn't give any. And tighten that cam up. That wouldn't have been good. That would have sucked. Donkey stuff. Now this goes on. Do I dare? See what kind of compression it has? Wow. Wow. Damn. I gotta find what the torque is for these. Although I feel I'm probably about right. Got good lash. Seems to be nice and free. Wow. Oh, she runs good. No chain slap or nothing. Wow. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. The compression is way too much. You gotta kind of get it right at the top dead center. A lot more air blowing out too. Look out, boy! Wow. I'll let her break in. Way more power. Or if I should throw that other carburetor on here. Nice.
That'll do, pig. That'll do.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on motocheese.com. Thanks for watching.